Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know most of you are wondering how I was able to draw this Fibonacci from here to this level. What am I expecting? After all this stuff, okay, let me explain something to you here. First of all, we had this move, we had a pullback. Remember, we are in an uptrend. Okay, we are in an uptrend. Let me show you. We are in an uptrend. Can you see? We've been making higher highs, lower highs, higher high, lower high, lower high, and then now a higher high, and then now a higher high, and then a lower high. Okay, but since we made this lower high, this higher high has not been broken. Okay, all it keeps doing is weakening and weakening, like some bit of manipulations, consolidations happening around this area. You can see weak closing side, went above, wicked above the previous week, closing side again, pulled back, still did this. Now I'm expecting it to move all the way to 61.8 before we get the buy. Okay, now because news is coming, I don't want to take some unnecessary risks, but I'm trying to tell you that I expect this market to pull back either to 61.8 or to 78.5 and then continue the buy. Okay, because if you go to 4 hours as well, you will see that there was a 4 hours pullback. So for this market to actually break structure, we need this 4 hours time frame to be broken. All right, we need it to be broken. So far as we are concerned, provided the time frame, this 4 hours time frame is not broken, even the 1 hour time frame is not broken, we keep extending our Fibonacci until the pullback has been done, and then the continuation buy. I know definitely wants to grab this liquidity here, this liquidity underneath here, right? This liquidity here where the cursor is moving. Let me show you from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see this liquidity underneath here. Let me show you this liquidity here, right? This place. The market wants to grab the liquidity here, tap into 61.8, or might get into. That's why it's going to use news. So it's going to run through it, then click on it, and then boom to the upside. So we'll see what it does. We'll see what it does. So don't forget, this is 10th, and today is what? November 11th. So we are going to wait and see what the market is going to do. All right, but this is just my analysis, judging from experience and from the fact that I know, provided this structure was not broken, it just keeps weakening it. And on the higher time frame, it is not on any vital point that can reverse the market, right? It's not on any vital point that can reverse the market. I think it's just going to brush through that low, brush through this previous day's low. You can see it, this previous day, this green candle, brush through the low, grab liquidity, and then boom to the upside. Right, let's just see how it goes. Have a nice day, guys. I think I will enter this trade if I see it on time. So have a nice day. Just ask your questions if you don't understand. All right, ask your questions if you don't understand. But this is just what I know is going to happen in the market. Have a nice day. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye.